Teams will form one even line behind Cone 1 facing Cone 2. On go, participants will move as fast as they can towards Cone 2. Participants must go around Cone 2 and make their way back to Cone 1. Once Participant 1 moved past Cone 1, Participant 2 can start. While Participant 2 is making their journey around Cone 2, Participant 1 must transfer their jumping sack onto the next participant in line. Participants will continue to do this until everyone has gone.
Teams will form two even lines facing one another behind the designated cones. On go, pair 1 from line 1 will move as fast as they can towards the line directly in front of them, which is line 2. Once pair 1 has passed line 2's cone, pair 2 may proceed back towards line 1. While pair 2 is moving back towards line, pair 1 must transfer their strap onto the next pair in line 2. Participants will continue to do this until all pairs have gone.
Teams will form two even lines facing one another behind the designated cones. On go, participant 1 from the line 1 will move as fast as they can towards the line directly in front of them, which is line 2, without dropping their egg. Once participant 1 has reached line 2, participants must transfer the egg and spoon to the next person in line 2. Once the next participant in line feels they have a firm hold of the egg and spoon, they may proceed. If at any time someone drops their individual egg, they must pick it up and go back to the start of their line and start again.
Teams will be made up of 10 participants. Both teams will start behind a designated line. On go, both teams will start to pull. The wall will be over once one team can successfully pull the other team over their team's line.
The relays would be a house versus house competition in front of the entire school on the 400-metre track. Each house competes against the other house in the same race. There will be a junior and senior division, so each house has two teams. The junior division is year 8, 9 and the senior division is year 10, 11, 12. Teams comprise of 4 competitors, but we suggest you choose 2 reserves just in case. House captains choose the teams prior to sports day. On the signal from the starter, the first runner from the 3 houses begins. There will be areas marked on the 400-metre track for changeovers between the 2nd, 3rd and 4th runner. All changeovers must be completed in this area. First past the finish line is the winning house. At the conclusion of the junior and senior competitions, the house captains will face off against a staff team.